we are going to conduct 6 days ROS2 training workshop, and I'm going to record all the things. I have my team member with me, and yeah, let's get into the video. We are here at the ROS workshop at Dubai, and we are moving towards the college. But meanwhile, let's take a look for the hotel as well. We are going for the breakfast, and we are on the second floor. And starting with today's video, actually, ROS workshop is a workshop that we conduct for certain days. Previously, also I recorded one video where I was talking about ROS2 workshops. Usually, I conduct for 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, and this is a 6 days workshop. So let's get into the breakfast part, and we will also carry a tour of the hotel as well. We are here at the breakfast, and also talking about the ROS2 workshops. We conduct these workshops in different colleges, and these are completely live hands-on trainings. And the best part is we get to interact with the students, and meanwhile teaching them is also a kind of learning with them as well. So that's a kind of really amazing experience. You can also take a look of the hotel as well. Actually, this is the breakfast area, and also I think so the dinner and the lunch area. I'm not promoting this particular hotel, but I'm just kind of making a review video, and in that also I am conveying my ROS2 trainings part where we conduct the workshops and my overall experience. It is a kind of a mono vlog that you can watch, and that's the thing for today's video. We will also take a look at the reception as well while moving outwards. So yeah, we are now moving towards the college. This is the reception area. Actually, one time from the college. What is the actual one? I don't know. Now, in order to run the mapping, what we will do,
How's the Josh? How's the Josh? How's the Josh?
the training was really good. We were able to interact with the students, and a lots of discussion was there regarding robot operating system and also robotics as well. In general, we enjoy a lot while interacting with the students, not only for the technical aspect of it, but also for the non-technical side as well. So this was regarding one of the workshop. Similarly, we conduct different workshop, and I just thought to record this video in order to make a kind of vlog and also a kind of thing which I can record where I do the work for the colleges, for the robotics community, and overall the ROS things. So this is the workshop for that purpose. I hope you enjoyed this particular video. Meet you in the next one. Till then, grow, learn, and explore together.